Welcome to Next Vault, and here's our weekly recap. What happened this week in financial markets, crypto, and real estate? Which events stood out? Let's discover the key trends and what they mean for your portfolio. Cryptocurrency market recap. This week, cryptocurrencies saw notable movements. Bitcoin reached a new threshold at €, consolidating its position as a safe haven asset amid global economic uncertainty. However, volatility remains a factor to watch. On the other hand, altcoins like Solana and Polkadot outperformed, with respective gains of 15% and 10%. These projects continue to gain traction thanks to their unique features and growing adoption. Real estate focus. Market trend. In the real estate market, trends are diverse. In major cities like Paris and New York, prices have slightly decreased, but investments in suburban areas continue to grow. This phenomenon could present interesting opportunities for those looking to invest in 2025. Additionally, rental properties remain a safe haven, with several regions experiencing high demand from investors seeking income-generating assets. Developments in decentralized finance, DeFi. This week, DeFi continued to attract investors with its appealing yields. Platforms like Aave and Uniswap saw increased transaction volumes, particularly in decentralized lending and token exchanges. This highlights how investors are beginning to view DeFi as a major expanding market. However, warnings were issued regarding the security of smart contracts, as vulnerabilities were discovered in less well-known protocols. Economic policy news and impact. Globally, monetary policies continue to play a key role in market fluctuations. Interest rate cuts in major economies such as the EU and the US directly impacted stock markets and encouraged investment in riskier assets like cryptocurrencies and real estate. Geopolitical uncertainties also weighed on investor decisions, boosting demand for alternative assets such as gold and cryptocurrencies. What to expect next week? What should you watch for next week? The crypto market is likely to remain volatile, but altcoins like Chainlink and Solana could continue their upward trajectory. It's essential to monitor regulatory developments and central banks' responses to economic crises. In real estate, keep a close eye on upcoming economic announcements, as they may directly impact property prices and loan interest rates. That's it for this week's recap. If you want to stay updated on all the latest trends and opportunities, subscribe to Next Vault and activate notifications so you don't miss anything. What about you? Which market do you plan to watch more closely next week? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. See you soon on Next Vault.